All right, guys, this one's a new one for me. I am actually considering one of these as a new car purchase. This is the new Hyundai Elantra, and this is the SEL model with the convenience package, which is exactly how I would want it optioned. What that means is you still have cloth seats, no sunroof, but you get adaptive cruise, lane keep assist. Where is it? The button somewhere there. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist. Heated seats. That was the big thing. And you get a larger display and all that good stuff. So let's fire up. Oh, this is a oh my God. Was the last oil change at 27,000 miles? Lord, I hope not. God. What? This is a 21 and it has 53,000 miles on it. And, you know, that's a little high for 21. It's really clean on the inside to be a repossession. But gosh, surely somebody has changed the oil since 27,000 miles. I sure do hope so. Ooh, because that ain't good at all, man. Ain't good at all if it's not. Yeah, you can get one of these for like right about 25 grand with the convenience package, I think is what it's called. And my local dealer here has one in stock. This one's triple black. It even has the black wheels. Heck, I would love to have this one, but I would need financing on something this expensive. Oh, we have 1 mile until empty. that doesn't sound very promising. Well, this will get me a good feel for what one feels like. I've heard these things drive really good, and I love the steering wheel with the little, you know, the quad. That is really cool. And great gauges too, by the way. All digital. I mean, it really just kind of works out.
Night, Denver hosting San Francisco, the 49ers.
Okay, great. Thanks for stopping by. What else we got? Okay, so it doesn't have navigation.
Save 75% on any best bet pack.
We'll just turn that off. Yeah, it doesn't have navigation or anything. I don't think. No. It's mainly just audio. I think it does have Apple CarPlay and all that good stuff. Drive mode. Ooh, sport. Let's check it out. Oh, shit, yeah, man. I mean, to have 147 horsepower, this thing really scoots. God, that would need full throttle, guys. Yeah, she'll actually boogie. It is a CVT. But I'll tell you one thing, it's way better than a damn Nissan CVT. What the hell does that do? That is weird. Yeah. This is a nice car. Nice car. I really like this. Boy, I'm going to buy a new Elantra. I can already tell you. So yeah, we got our heated seats, 3-position, dual climate control, which is nice. Oh yeah, and this is supposed to have wireless charging as well, and that's where it is, right there. Just set the phone right in there. Little wireless charge. I forgot about that. What we got here? Oh. Just gives you a nice view out the front. That's kind of cool. Oh no, or out the back rather. Gosh, great air conditioning. Push button start. Got the little proximity key here. What do we have? Looks like we have remote start. And of course your trunk. Lock, unlock. Yeah, this is quite a nice little car. And even though it's a repossession, whoever had it, well, I don't know if they took care of it on the oil change. Lord, I hope they've changed it since then. But they at least didn't ass whip it, you know, beat down on it. I mean, the wheels aren't curbed up, at least not over here. It's not dented up or beat up. Look at those cool LEDs. Sharp little car, man. I mean, they did a radical cool job with these. Smart Stream. Looks like brand new under here. I would remove the oil cap, but I'm afraid to. I saw like blown head signs of a blown head gasket, but that was just the color. Oh my God, look how black that oil is. Oh, it has not been changed, I don't think. Woo, first order, get the oil change. Probably gonna need a set of tires. Those are the originals, I'm sure. Yeah, they're down to the wear bars completely. Just a nice rig, man. What a cool car. There's all your mats. You know, it almost looks like a hatchback, the way they design these. I love it. God, I wish I could buy this one, but I bet it'll still sell in the mid to high teens tomorrow. And I'd just rather have a new one. I mean, this little baby's got some power. And this is just your base, you know, just your basic, I think it's a 2-liter. 147 naturally aspirated horsepower. This is the basic deal here. And I am so out of gas, it's not even funny. It went to 2 miles, 1 mile, and now we're at no miles. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the Elantra. Isn't it cool? I love it. And we'll see you with the next one. Peace.